lower, upper, init cap, length, concat, lpad, rpad, ltrim, rtrim, trim, substr, replace and translate. So till here I covered in the previous session. In today's session, I want to cover instr. So we start session with instr function. After instr, we discuss about conversion functions. So session is very, very important. Pay attention, listen carefully. Function name is instr. In string. Instr stands for in string. If we want to search for substring in string, we use it. For example, observe here. Rajkumar string is there, sir. Rajkumar is virginal string. This is virginal string. From this, in this virginal string, I am searching for substring. Okay, I am searching for substring Uma. In Rajkumar virginal string, I am searching for substring Uma. Is Uma existed in Rajkumar? Yes. If existed, it returns position number, sir. Position numbering starts from 1. Okay, space 4. K5. 6. U. So we get output as 6 here. Uma substring available at which position number, sir? 6. 6. So like this, in virginal string, we are searching for this substring. If substring is existed, it returns position number. Suppose in Rajkumar string, I am searching for Kumar. Is Kumar existed in Rajkumar, sir? Yes. At which position number? At which position number? 5. 5 we get. If substring is existed, we get position number. If substring is not existed, suppose in Rajkumar I am searching for Sai. Is Sai existed in Rajkumar? No. If substring is not existed, what it returns? 0. This point is very, very important, sir. If substring is existed in the string, it returns position number. If substring is not existed in the string, it returns 0. And always it returns positive position number only. Okay. So why we are using instr? It is used to search for substring in string. Okay. In string, instr. In string, we are searching for substring. If substring is existed, it returns position number. If substring is not existed, it returns 0. If substring is found in string, it returns position number. If substring is not found, if substring is not found in string, it returns 0. 0. Now, to get grip on it, understand the syntax and some examples. See here. See the syntax here. Syntax is, we write like this: instr of function name, arguments. First argument is virginal string. Second argument is search string. In that substring, which string you want to search? That search substring we are giving. From which position you want to search? From which position you want to start searching? Search position. From which position you want to search? Okay. For which occurrence number? For which occurrence you are searching? So this is the syntax. In which string you are searching? For which substring you are searching? From which position you are searching? For which occurrence you are searching? Tell these 4 arguments. And here, this third argument and fourth argument are optional, not compulsory. This third argument and fourth argument are optional, not compulsory. If I don't specify search position, by default, it searches from first position. If I don't give occurrence number, by default, it searches for first occurrence. So default search position 1, default occurrence number 1, sir. Okay, third argument. Default search position value is, default value is 1. Fourth argument, occurrence number. Okay, fourth argument, occurrence number. Occurrence number, default value is 1. If I don't give this third argument, it searches from first position. If I don't give occurrence number, it searches for first occurrence. These two are mandatory. These two are optional. Like this, in str function can take 4 arguments. Okay. Now see some examples on it. Okay. Let me take one example. Raj Kumar. Okay. Or Ravi Teja. I'm taking Ravi Teja. Okay. For our understanding purpose, I'm giving position numbers. R position number 1. A position number 2. V position number 3, 4, space 5, T 6. Okay. E 7, J 8, 8, 9. These are the position numbers. Okay. Aman, no confusion. Listen carefully. See here. From this Ravi Teja string, I want to extract Tej. To extract substring, substr. Now, what is my requirement? This Tej substring existed in instr not. I want to search. To search for substring in string in str. If you want to extract substring, okay, this is mobile number. From mobile number, I want to extract last 4 digits. Substr. Okay, this is Ravi Teja. From Ravi Teja, I want to extract first name Ravi. Substr. To extract substring from the string. Substr. I want to extract last name Teja. Substr. To extract substring from the string. Substr. To search for substring in the string. In str. In Ravi Teja string, in str available or not, I want to search now. In Ravi Teja string, is Tej substring existed or not, I want to search now. So to search for substring in the string, in str we use. How to search? Observe. Ravi Teja. Position. Very useful, sir. In str, substr, very useful at real time. Ravi Teja is the original string. Search string I am giving as Tej. Okay, search position I am giving as 1. Even if I don't give search position, default argument 1 only. For clarity, I am giving. Occurrence number I am giving 1. Even if I don't write this third argument, fourth argument, it takes default values 1, 1 only. For clarity, I am writing 1, 1. What is the meaning of this one? Understand now? See here, original string is Ravi Teja. In this, we are searching for. In Ravi Teja string, in Ravi Teja original string, we are searching for substring Tej. From which position we are searching? First position. So from first position, in this direction, it searches, sir, for Tej. Okay, it is searching for Tej. Observe here. Tej found here. Tej found. From first position, it is searching. This is search position. From first position, it is searching in this direction. From left to right, it is searching. From first position in this direction, it is searching for Tej. Searching for Tej. Tej found at sixth position. First occurrence of Tej. We are searching from first position, first occurrence of Tej. First occurrence of Tej at sixth position. So we get output as 6. Are you understanding, sir? Okay. Now you tell me now. In Ravi Teja, I am searching for VI space T. In Ravi Teja, I am searching for VI space T. What's the output we get, sir? What is the output we get? 3. Simple. Understand here? Original string is Ravi Teja. We are searching for VA space T. From which position? First position. From left to right. Okay. So for first occurrence, it is searching for VA space T, VA space T, VA space T found here. At which position number found? Third position. So it gives 3. Suppose I am writing like this. In Ravi Teja, I am searching for Sai. In Ravi Teja, I am searching for Sai. Is Sai substring existed in Ravi Teja, sir? No. What it returns now? 0. Very good. That's it. So like this, in the string, if we want to search for substring, it is useful. Okay. Now, to get grip on it, let me take one more example. To get more grip on in STR, I'm giving one more example. Try to understand. Sainath Villas. Listen. See, for example, I am taking original string. This is his wish. This is original string. This is his wish. This is original string. In this, many is substrings are there. Observe. Is. 4 is substrings are there. Observe. So I want to search for first occurrence of is. I want to search for second occurrence of is. Then I want to search for third occurrence of is like this. So for our understanding purpose, let me give position numbers. So position numbers I am giving as. So this T position number 1, H2, I3, S4, space 5, I6, S7, space 8, H9, I10, S11. Just a minute. Space 12, W13, I14, S15, and H16. These are the position numbers. Okay. Now, you tell me now. So these are the position numbers. Now, I am writing like this. In STR of original string is, this is his wish. Okay. Is I am writing. Is I am writing. Tell me, sir, what is the output we get now? If we write like this, what is the output we get now? Okay. 3 or 6? 3 or 6? 3. 3 we get. Okay. Understand this word? If we don't give third argument, what is the default search position? 1. What is the default occurrence number? 1. Understand now? This is original string. We are searching for is from position number 1. So from first position, from first position, from first position, searching for first occurrence of is. From first position in this direction, searching for first occurrence of is. First occurrence of is found at position number 3. That is why we are getting output as 3. Is it correct or not? Check here. Let me log in, sir. Just a minute, please wait. Okay, observe now. Just I'm copying this function call. Is our discussion correct or not? Check here. We have to get output as 3 here. See here. We're getting 3, sir. Observe. This first occurrence of is at third position. 3 we are. Now suppose I'm writing like this. I'm giving search position as 4. 4. Okay, occurrence number 3 I am giving. Occurrence number 3 I am giving, sir. What is the output we get now? Hmm? What is the output we get, sir? 14 or 10? 14 or 10? Think, sir. Think and give the answer. What is the search position? 4. From fourth position, in this direction it searches. For which occurrence number? Third occurrence. What is the output we get now? What is the output we get, sir? 14 or 10? 14 we get. That's it. Understand this one? From fourth position, it is searching in this direction. For which occurrence? Third occurrence. So from fourth position, it is searching in this direction. For which occurrence? Third occurrence. For third occurrence, it is searching. This is first occurrence. It will not give. Second occurrence found will not give. Third occurrence found. We get output as 14. 14 we get. Is it correct or not? Check here. Okay. Observe. 14 we have to get. See it. 14. Now you tell me now. Suppose I am writing like this. Search position. Search position. I am giving as 7. Search position I am giving as 7, sir. 7 I am giving. What is the output we get now? What is the output we get, sir? 10 we get. 10. Very good. That's it. You understood. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? In this is which string? You are searching for the substring is. From which position you are searching? 7th position. If you don't give occurrence number, default occurrence number is 1. From 7th position, searching for first occurrence of is. First occurrence of is at which position number? 10. 10 we get. 10 we get here. Okay. Observe here. 10 we are getting. Next. Suppose I am writing comma 2 here. What is the output we get, sir? What is the output we get? 14. Very good. From 7th position, we are searching for second occurrence. This is first occurrence. Will not give. Second occurrence. 14. 14. Okay. Suppose I am writing comma 3. What we get, sir? 0. From 7th position, third occurrence of is not available. Observe. There is no third occurrence. See, this is first occurrence. This is second occurrence. There is no third occurrence. If substring is not found, it returns 0. Okay, 0 we are getting. So like this, we can use in str function. So we are searching for substring in the string. Is it clear up to here? Next, this third argument is position number. This position number can be given as negative also. Position number we can give as negative also. Negative means from right side. -1 from right side first position. I already told this in a sub-str function. -2 means from right side second position. -3 from right side third position, like this. So this third argument can be negative also. So suppose I am writing -1 here. -1, comma 1 I am writing. Okay. So for our understanding purpose, let me give position numbers here. Otherwise, you cannot answer. -16, minus 15, minus 14. Okay. Minus 13, space minus 12. Just a minute, sir. Okay. Now, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 5. Okay. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1. Like this with it. Okay. So these are the position numbers. Okay. Now, understand now. I'm writing like this. This is his wish. In this string, I'm searching for ease. From which position we are searching? Minus 1. Minus 1 means from right side, first position. In this direction, it is searching for first occurrence of ease. What is the output we get, sir? What is the output we get here? 14 we get. In str function always returns positive number only. In str function always returns positive number only. Just for our accessing convenience purpose, we are using negative position number. Sometimes accessing from left side is easy for us. Sometimes accessing from right side is easy for us. So just to access from right side, I'm using negative position number. But in str function always returns positive position number only. So once again, I'm telling, listen, original string is this is his wish. In this, we are searching for is substring. In this, we are searching for is substring. From which position? Minus 1. In this direction, it searches now. Okay. From right to left, it is searching now. From minus 1, it is searching. For which occurrence? First occurrence. First occurrence found at position number 14. This is first occurrence. So we get output as 14 now. Check here. Select function call. We are getting 14. Observe, sir. See, as per our discussion, we are getting minus 1 from right side, first position. From right side, first position. Minus 1. We are searching for first occurrence of ease. It is available at 14. 14 we are getting. Okay. Next. Suppose I am writing like this. Minus 4. Minus 4 comma 2 I am writing, sir. What is the output we get now? Minus 4 comma 2. What is the output we get, sir? 6. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? Minus 4 means from right side, fourth position. From right side, fourth position. For second occurrence. In this direction, it searches now. From right side, fourth position. In this direction, it searches. This is first occurrence. Will not give. We are searching for second occurrence. Second occurrence available at 6. 6 we get. So like this. Third argument can be negative also. Is it clear up to here, sir? In STR topic is over. Is it clear about in STR? Online students, is it clear about in STR? Okay. Next. See here. When it is useful, understand now. For example, there is a table is there. Okay. There is a table is there. Table name is person or employee. Employee. Employee ID. Employee name. Employee ID. Employee name. Employee ID. Employee name. Employee full name is there. This employee name is Ravi Teja. Okay, this employee name is Kiran Kumar. Okay, like this data is there. Now, understand. Okay, next person, Sai Krishna. The question is, this interview question. Interviewer ask like this. Extract first name and last name and place in the F name column and L name column. This is the existing table, sir. It has two columns, employee ID, name. What is asking? Add two more columns, F name and L name. So two columns we need to add now. These first names, place here. First names, place here. Last names, place here. Like this. This is our requirement. Did you understand the question? Okay, this is existing table. This is existing table. This is existing table. What is asking? Add two columns, first name and last name. Add two columns, first name and last name. Add these two columns. In F name column, how to add the columns you already know. To add the columns, which command we use, sir? Alter. Alter. Okay. Here, place first names. Here, place first names. Ravi, first name. Next employee first name, Kiran. Next employee first name, Sai, like this. Here, place last names. Here, place last names here. Okay, Teja, Kumar, and Krishna. This is our requirement. So this is a question. This is interview question. Okay. So first, let me create this employee table first. I am creating employee table now. This employee table I am creating. Just observe here. Okay. Create table employee. First column employee ID, number of 4. Second column e-name, varchar 2 of 20. Varchar 2 of 20. Bracket close, semicolon. Table created. Insert the records now. Insert into employee values. First record 1, 2, 3, 4. Name Ravi Teja. Ravi Teja. Comma. Second record 1, 2, 3, 5. Name Kiran Kumar. Comma. Third record 1, 2, 3, 6. Sai Krishna. Like this. 3 rows created. Save it, right? Commit. Open and see the table data now. Okay. Select star from employee. Observe the table data, sir. Table created, observe. So this is table data. Now what is asking? Add F name column, L name column. In the F name place first names, in the L name place last names. Add F name column and L name column. Tell me, sir, how to add the columns? How to add F name column and L name column? Alter table name employee. Okay, table name employee. Add, very good. Which column we want to add? F name, size varchar 2 of 10, comma. Next column, L name, varchar 2 of 10. Bracket close, semicolon. Two columns added. Added or not, check in the table. Select a star from employee. See here. First name and last name columns are added. Observe, sir. As of now, first name values are null subject. Last name values are also null subject. This null modify with Ravi. Null modify with Ravi. This null modify with Kiran. This null modify with Sai. To modify the table data, which SQL command we need to use, sir? Update. You should be able to tell like this, sir. Update. In which table? Employee. Set Which column value we want to modify now? First name. First name. Now think about the logic now. Okay. Understand, sir? Here we want to get Ravi. Means we need to extract substring or not? We need to extract substring. To extract substring, which function we have to use? Substr. Substr. From which string we want to extract? Ename. From which position we want to extract? First position. First name means definitely position is 1. Now here we have to think about the logic now. Understand here? Okay, see, in Ravi, we need to extract 4 letters. In Ravi Teja, we need to extract 4 letters. In Kiran Kumar, we need to extract Kiran. Kiran means 5 letters. So extracting number of characters are not same object. In Sai Krishna, extract Sai, 3 characters. So number of characters are not same. If number of characters are same, I can write like this. From every first name, it extracts 4 characters. But Ravi has 4 characters, Kiran has 5 characters, Sai has 3 characters. Number of characters are not same. So we have to think about the logic now. Okay, what's the logic? Find position number of space. So in Ravi Teja substring, what we have to find? Space position number. What is space position number, sir? 5. 5. How many characters we want to extract now? 4. 4. In Kiran Kumar, what is space position number? 6. 6. Space position number 6. How many characters we want to extract here? 5. So always number of characters are one value less than, okay, one value less than space position number. Observe. That logic only we have to write. Are you understanding? What we have to do now? Find space position number. In Ravi Teja, what we have to do? Find space position number. So to find space position number, which function we have to use here? Next here. So in Ravi Teja, what is space position number? The space position number is 5. But we want to extract 4 letters. So right, -1. Okay, in Kiran Kumar, find the space position number. Space position number is 6. But we want to get 5 letters. So right, -1. In Sai Krishna, find the space position number 4. But we want to get 3 letters, -1. So what is logic here? Find the space position number, -1. How to find space position number? In STR. In which string we want to search? Ename. For which substring you want to search? Space. From first position or first occurrence. That's it. Okay. Now final query I'm writing. Observe here. If we want to get first names here, Ravi, Kiran, Sai, like this. First time I write, sir. Second time you have to tell. Write like this. So this null modifies Ravi. This null modifies Kiran. This null modifies Sai. To modify the table data, we use the command update. Update. In which table we want to update? Employee. Set. Which column value we want to modify? Fname. Fname equals 2. Okay. We need to extract Ravi. So to extract part of the string, to extract substring, use the function substr. From which string you want to extract? Ename. From which position you want to extract? First position. R position number 1. Kiran position number 1. Sai position number 1. From first position we want to extract. How many number of characters? Here 4 characters. Here 5 characters. Here 3 characters. Number of characters are not same. If number of characters are same, I can write like this. But number of characters are not same. That is why I need to write the logic. So what is the logic here? Space position number -1. Here space position number 5. Here space position number 6. Here space position number 4. 5 minus 1, 4 characters. 6 minus 1, 5 characters. 4 minus 1, 3 characters. So find the space position number -1. So find space position number minus 1. How to find space position number in str? In which string we are searching? Ename. For which character we are searching? Space. From first position, first occurrence of space. That's it. Minus 1. That's it. So here from first position, searching for first occurrence of space, 5 we get. 5 minus 1, 4 we get. 4 characters we get from Ravi. So this one we write in the F name. Okay. Did you understand this one, sir? Are you understanding? Next. We want to get L name now. L name. Next we want to get L name. Teja, Kumar, Krishna we want to get. Okay. So here I want to get Teja, Kumar, Krishna like this. Again, update command only. This null modify with Teja. This null modify with Kumar. This null modify with Krishna. To modify the table data, update command only. Set. Which column value we want to set? L name. L name. L name. To extract substring from Ravi Teja, extract Teja. From Ravi Teja, extract Teja. To extract substring, use the function substr. Substr. From which string you want to extract? Ename. From which position we want to extract? Observe here. In Ravi Teja, T position number is 6. Observe. So from 6th position, I need to extract here. From 6th position, I need to extract till end of the string. So no need to give number of characters. So from 6th position till end of the string I want. So no need to give third argument. So Teja we get. If I write 6, Teja I get. From Kiran Kumar, if I want to get Kumar, from which position? Okay, 7th position. 7th position. So this K position number is 7. This K position number is 7. From 7th position, we want to get substring. In Sai Krishna, from 5th position, K position number is 5. From 5th position, we want to extract substring. Like this. In Ravi Teja, from 6th position, we want to extract substring. In Kiran Kumar, from 7th position, we want to extract substring. In Sai Krishna, from 5th position, we want to extract substring. So what is the logic now? Find space position number 5 plus 1. 6 we get. Okay, here find space position number 6 plus 1. 7 we get. Here find space position number 4 plus 1. 5. So what is the logic here? Find space position number. Space position number plus 1. So to find the space position number, we are using the function in str. Very useful, sir. Okay, in str of ename comma space. Space position number we get plus 1. So space positions, next character onwards till end of the string, it extracts. Okay, this one only we are writing, sir. Tell me now what we need to write. This null we need to modify. This null we need to modify. So to modify the table data, which command we need to use, sir? Update. Tell me, sir, what we need to write? Update. Table name. Employee. Employee. Then set. Set. Which column value? F name equals to. Okay. A sub-str of ename comma. From which position? 1. First position. How many number of characters? Space position number minus 1. Space position number minus 1 character. How to find space position number? In str of ename comma space minus 1. Like this we write. So we get first name now. Next find last name, sir. Last name. Last name equals to. What we need to write? Sub-str of ename comma. Find space position number plus 1. Uh, uh, plus 1. That's it. Okay, observe now. Okay, 3 rows updated. Observe. To save this data, just write. To open and see the table data, right? Select star from employee. We got first names and last names. Observe, sir. As per our discussion, we got the output. Now, no need to maintain ename column. I want to drop ename column. To drop the column, which command we need to use? To drop the column, ename column I want to drop. Which command we need to use? Huh? Alter. Alter command we need to use. So drop ename column. How to drop ename column, sir? What we need to write? Employee drop column. Column dropped. Open and see the table data. See, sir. Okay. So this is one example application where sub-str and in-str are useful. So this is the way of using sub-str and in-str. Next. So with this, all string functions are over. Last example on in-str. Observe. Display the employee records whose names are having AM letters. Whose names are having AM letters. So if employee name is having AM letter, display. Okay, this is our requirement. If employee name is having AM, display. Okay, for example, Smith. Is it having AM letters, sir? No, we don't want. Okay, employee name is James. Is it having AM letters? Yes, this we want. Employee name Amar. AM letters are there. Okay, Adams. AM letters are there. If name is having AM letters, then display. If name is having AM letters, then display. This is our requirement. So what we need to write now, this you can do using like operator you can do. That name must have AM letters. Notice here, in front of AM, 1 letter is there. In front of AM, 0 letters are there. In front of AM, 2 letters are there. So in front of AM, any number of characters it can have percentage. After AM, here 2 letters, here 2 letters, here 1 letter. So after AM, any number of characters it can have percentage. Just apply the common sense. Name must have AM. In front of AM, any number of characters it can have percentage. After AM, any number of characters it can have percentage. Like this we can write. Using like operator, how to write? You tell me, sir, what we need to write? I want to get all columns. Where? Listen, sir. Learning subject and forgetting subject means you are wasting your time. Most of you are doing this one only in this class. Learning subject and forgetting subject means you are wasting your time. You should be able to tell, sir. Who can tell who practiced? Who is referring the notes daily? Who practiced? They can tell. You are unable to tell this one means you have to focus more and more on you. Learning subject and forgetting subject means you are wasting your time. Just watching like cinema and going means you will not get the subject. Every day you have to practice. Those who practice it, they can answer. Tell me, sir, what we need to write? Whose names are having AM letters? Already I explained. Then also unable to tell some members. Think about yourself, sir. What we need to write here? Where ename like percentage AM percentage. That's it. Whose names are having AM letters we are getting observed. Same thing we can also do by using in-str. What we have to do now in the employee name? In the employee name, search for which substring? If AM existed, it returns position number. If AM existed, it returns position number. Suppose Adams. In Adams, A existed at position number 3. 3 we get. If I write like this instr function returns 3 here. In the James, it is searching for AM. AM existed at second position. Suppose name is Amar. Amar existed at first. AM existed at first position. One way. Like this. Suppose name is Smith, sir. Smith is not having any AM. What it returns? 0. Suppose name is Alan. Alan is not having AM. It returns 0. All position numbers are greater than 0. Observe, sir. So if it is returning greater than 0 means AM existed. In the Adams, AM existed at third position. In the James, AM existed at second position. In the Amar, AM existed at first position. All position numbers are positive numbers. It is returning positive number means AM existed. If it is returning 0 means AM not existed. This is the logic we need to write. So if NSTR is returning positive number means greater than 0. If NSTR returning greater than 0 means AM existed. What's the final query, sir? I want to get all columns. What we need to write? Select star from EMP. Where? Which column value we are checking? In str of. Which column value we are checking? In name. We are searching for which substring? AM. If this in str function is returning greater than 0, means AM existed. Same output we are getting. Observe, sir. Possibility is there. So in the string, if we want to search for substring, in the E name, I am searching for AM. In the string, if we want to search for substring, we can use instr. So this is about instr and this is about string functions. All string functions are over. Now you know very clearly about all these string functions. Now when I ask the questions, give the response here, test your knowledge. Just a minute. So these are the string functions. All string functions we know. You tell me, sir. Here, Raj Kumar string is there. Raj Kumar string is there. I want to get output like this. Raj Kumar, like this. This Raj Kumar string, I want to convert to like this. Every word starting letter, I want to get as capital. Which function we have to use, sir? Init. Okay. Now, this Raj Kumar, I want to convert to lowercase like this. Raj Kumar, I want to convert to lowercase like this. To convert string to lowercase, which function we need to use? Lower. To convert string to uppercase? Upper. To find string length? Length. To combine the strings? Concat. Okay. For example here, Raj string is there. Left side, I want to fill 5 stars. Left side, I want to fill 5 stars. Which function we use? LPAT. Right side, I want to fill 5 stars. RPAT. I want to remove left side unwanted characters. Ltrim. I want to remove this right side stars. Rtrim. I want to remove both side stars. Trim. Okay. Next. Okay. In Raj Kumar string, I want to search for substring Uma. In Raj Kumar string, I want to search for substring Uma. Which function we need to use? Instr. To search for substring in string, instr. Okay. I want to replace this Kumar. with. Okay. I want to replace this Kumar with Sai. I want to replace the strings here. To replace the strings, which function we need to use? Replace. My requirement is this R characters I want to replace with Z. A characters I want to replace with X. like this. To replace the characters, which function we need to use? Translate. Translate. Okay. So 5, 10. Okay. One more function is there. Okay. What is that one, sir? Substitute. Substitute. Okay. What is the purpose of substitute? To extract substring from the string. From Rajkumar, I want to extract Uma. From Rajkumar, I want to get first name Raj. From Rajkumar, I want to get last name Kumar. Like this. To extract substring from the string, substitute. All string functions are over. So successfully we finished string functions. Is it clear about string functions, sir? Online students, please confirm. Is it clear up to here? Next. Actually, I thought to explain. Okay. See here. I thought to explain conversion functions, but okay, less time is there. Less time is there. So that is why I'm not starting conversion functions. Okay, now I want to talk about this number functions. I want to talk about number functions. Number functions we are discussing now. Okay, number functions. So tomorrow with fresh mind, we can start conversion functions. Okay, so now I am explaining about number functions. What are the number functions are there? Observe here. Power. Not that much important. Number functions, or you can say math functions. Maths related functions. Some functions are not important here. Some functions are important. Power not that much important. SQRT also in database programming. These are not that much important. Sign not important. ABS not that much important. Important functions are seal, seal, floor, trunk, round, and mod. Mod. These are important. These 5 are important. These 4 are not that much important in database programming. Okay. Again, yes, sir. Power function, we use it. I want to find 2 cube. Power. So how to find 2 cube? Right like this. Power of. First argument is number. Second argument is power. If you want to find 2 cube, write like this. Power of 2 comma. We get output as 8. I want to find 5 square. I want to find 5 square, sir. How to write? Like this way. So this is the way of using power function. Next, SQRT. To find square root value, we use it. For example, I want to find square root of 100. So SQRT of, we pass one number as argument here. I want to find square root of 100. SQRT of 100. Like this way. Okay. So this is a way of using SQRT function. Next, sign function. To check whether the number is positive or negative or zero, we use this sign function. This is the syntax. Sign off. We pass number here. Sign off number. If you pass positive number, it returns 1. If you pass positive number here, it returns 1. If you pass negative number here, it returns -1. If you pass 0 here, it returns 0. If you want to check whether the number is positive or negative or 0, I can use this sign function. Next one, ABS. This ABS function is used to get absolute value. Absolute value means what, sir? Huh? Absolute value means? Absolute value means non-negative. Okay. Non-negative means? Non-negative means positive or 0. Okay. So absolute value means what, sir? Non-negative. Non-negative means what? Positive or 0. Suppose I am writing like this. ABS of, we pass number as argument here. If I pass positive number, this function returns positive number only. Absolute value, positive. If I pass negative number, then also it returns positive value only, absolute value. It returns absolute value. If I pass 0, it returns 0. Absolute value means positive or 0. Even if you pass positive number or negative number, it always returns positive. If you pass 0, it returns 0. So absolute value means positive or 0. Next one, mod function. Mod of. First argument is number. Second argument is divisor. Second argument is divisor. Mod of 5 comma 2 I am writing, sir. 5 we are dividing with 2. It returns remainder value. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 5 we are dividing with 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. To get this remainder value, we use mod function. It's like in C Java, modulus operator is available. 5 modulus 2 means there we get 1 in C Java. Here there is no modulus operator in our Oracle SQL. In Oracle SQL, if you want to find remainder value, use the function mod. Sometimes it is useful. Okay. These 5 are important, but these 4 not that much important. Next, seal and floor. Seal means up. Seal, up. Floor means down. Seal means up. Okay. Floor means down. If we want to get the round up value, seal means up. To get the round up value, seal. To get the round down value, floor. To get round up value, seal. To get round down value, floor. For example, I'm writing like this. Seal of 123.456. Understand now? This number falls between which two integers? 123.456. This number falls between which two integers? Huh? 123.456. This number falls between which two integers? 123 and 124. 123.456 falls between 123 and 124. Okay, which one is the up value? 124. Which one is the down value here? 123. If you want to get this round up value, which function we use? Seal. If you want to get this round down value, which function we use here? Floor. That's it. Simple. The seal, floor, always they written integer only. Seal gives round up value, up integer value. Floor gives down integer value. To get round up value, seal. To get round down value, floor. So sometimes we need to round the values. At the time, these are useful. These only I'm showing. Observe, sir. See here, power function. Power function I'm showing now. Observe. Select power of 2 comma 3. Okay, power of 5 comma 2. Observe. 2 cube value 8. 5 square value 25. To find power value, power function. Next function SQRT. Select SQRT of 100. Okay, SQRT of 144. Okay, square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 144 is 12. Find square root value SQRT. Next, sine function. Sine of. If I pass positive number, it returns 1. If I pass negative number, it returns minus 1. If I pass 0, it returns 0. If you pass positive number, 1. If you pass negative number, minus 1. If you pass 0, it returns 0. So sine function returning 1 means you can understand that that is positive number. Sine function returning minus 1 means understand that is negative number. Sine function returning 0 means that positive number is 0. Like this, to find sine of the number, use sine function. Next, ABS. ABS of 30. Positive value I'm passing. Minus 30. Negative value I'm passing. 0 I'm passing. Even if we pass positive value or negative value, definitely it gives positive value only. Absolute value means positive value or 0. If I pass 0, 0 we get. Observe here. Even if I pass positive value, I'm getting positive. If I pass negative value, then also I'm getting positive. So if you want to get positive value always, then use ABS. Next one, mod. Mod function. To get remainder value, we use it. Mod of 10 comma 7. Mod of 10 comma 7. Observe. 10, we are dividing with 7. Remainder is 3. To get remainder value, we use this one. Suppose from ATM machine, you are withdrawing the amount. When you are withdrawing the amount, it asks enter amount. Okay, can you give this amount value like this? 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Okay, 575 rupees. Can you give like this, sir? In the ATM machine, to withdraw the amount, can you give amount like 4,575 rupees like that? No. Amount must be divisible by 100. Amount must be divisible by 100. Okay, so what is the logic they used here? Mod of. Mod of. Which value they are dividing? Amount value. Amount value must be divisible by 100. Then only accept that amount. If this condition is true, if entered amount divisible by 100, okay, then that is valid amount. Accept. This condition false means, okay, invalid amount. Print. Okay, check the amount. Any user understandable message. Check the amount. Enter again. Next. So in such type of situations, mod function is useful. In the ATM machine, when you are withdrawing the amount, you cannot give like this. Amount must be divisible by 100. So if amount is divisible by 100, then accept that withdrawal amount. Otherwise, give message as check the amount, enter it again. Next, seal and floor. Seal and floor. Mod sometimes useful like this, sir. Seal and floor. Observe, seal off. Seal off. Okay. 456.789. 234 I'm given. Okay. Tell me, sir, what is the output we get now? 457. This number falls between which two integers? 456 and 457. Seal always gives up value. Seal means up. So up value it gives us 457. For same value, I'm using floor. It gives rounded down value. 789, 234. Okay, observe here. So seal is giving up value. This number falls between 456 and 457. Seal is giving up value. Floor is giving down. To get round up value, seal. To get round down value, floor. They always written integer part only. They never written float part. Next, trunk and round. This trunk already we used. Little bit you know about trunk. Okay. Please confirm, sir. Is it clear up to here? This is important. Here I spent some time. Trunk and round. Here I spent some time. Important, sir. So pay attention. Listen carefully. Trunk function we are discussing. Okay. See. Okay, Bunesh. At the end of the session. Okay. You can ask your doubt. Okay. At the end of the session, I talk with you. Now, see here. Trunk. Generally, to remove the decimal places, we use it. This trunk is used to remove decimal places. If you want to remove decimal places, we use this one. Trunk general meaning is trunk means truncate. Truncate means remove. Trunk means truncate. Truncate means what, sir? Remove. What it is removing? Decimal. To remove the decimal places, we use the function trunk. What's the syntax here? Trunk of. First argument is number. Second argument is number of decimal places. Number of decimal places. And the second argument is optional, not compulsory. Second argument is optional here, not compulsory. So already we used trunk function, but we used one argument only. We didn't use this second argument. When we found experience, okay, we got experience like this, 45.678923 like this. To remove these decimal places, I used the function trunk. When we found experience, at the time I used this one. Okay, see here. Suppose I'm writing like this. Trunk of 123.456789. Like this I'm writing. Tell me, sir, what is the output we get now? 123. What trunk is doing here? Removing decimal places. All decimal places removed here. Suppose I am writing like this. Comma 1 I am writing, sir. Comma 1. What's the meaning of this one? We are asking that give me up to one decimal place. From this number, give me up to one decimal place. Remaining truncate. That's the meaning of this one. So in this number, up to one decimal place it gives. Remaining will be truncated. So what's the output we get now? 123.4. Up to one decimal place it is giving, sir. That's it. Easy. If I write 2 here, tell me now, if I write 2, you can guess. What we get, sir? 123.45. Okay, if I write 4 here, what is the output we get? Is it correct or not? Check here. Select trunk of 123 point, same number I'm taking. See here, 123 we are getting. All decimal places removed. If I write comma 1, up to one decimal place I'm getting, observed. Okay, if I write comma 2, up to two decimal places I'm getting 123.45. Okay, if I write 3, up to three decimal places I'm getting 123.456. Okay, this is about trunk. Okay, now pay attention, listen carefully. This second argument can be, this second argument can be given as negative also. Your second argument can be negative. What is the meaning of negative? Negative means it never gives decimal places. Negative means it never gives decimal places. We never get decimal places here. If second argument is negative, it never gives decimal places. And that left side part, left side value, it rounds now. It rounds left side value. It rounds left part. If second argument is -1, it rounds in tens. Definitely answer will be in the form of 10. So what are the rounded values in the tens? Like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. These are rounded values in the tens. Definitely answer will be in the form of tens only. If second argument is -1, definitely answer will be in the form of tens. -2. If second argument is -2, answer will be in the form of hundreds. It rounds in hundreds. Rounded values in hundreds means 100, 200, 300. These are the rounded values in hundreds. -3 means it rounds in thousands. Rounded values in thousands means 1000, 2000, 3000. Like this. It goes on, etc. -4 rounds in 10,000s. -5 rounds in lakhs. -6 rounds in 10 lakhs. Like that. Understand this one? Second argument can be negative here. Pay attention, listen carefully. Suppose I am writing like this: trunk of 456.789 I am writing. Tell me, sir, what's the output we get now? What is the output we get, sir? 456. Okay, comma 2 I am writing. What we get? Comma -1 I am writing, sir. -1. What's the output we get now? What's the output we get, sir? Pay attention, listen carefully. Understand this one? -1. Okay, understand the meaning of negative, sir. Second argument can be negative. Okay, read this one. If second argument is negative, it never gives decimal places. Means we never get this decimal places. It never gives decimal places. In left side part, it rounds. It rounds. Now -1. -1 means what? Rounds in tens. This 456 number falls between which two rounded tens? Which two rounded tens? 450 and 460. Okay, 456. Listen, sir. Listen. Some of you are not listening. Listen. A second argument negative means it never gives decimal places. This left side part, it rounds now. -1 means rounds in tens. Definitely answer will be in the form of tens only. This 456 falls between which two rounded tens? 450 and 460. Trunk always gives lower value. Trunk always gives lower value. So what's the output we get, sir? 450. 450 we get. Now you tell me now. Observe here. Select trunk of. See, 567.234, comma, -1 I am writing, sir. Tell me now, what is the output we get, sir? What is the output we get, sir? 560. Very good. That's it. Second argument negative means it never gives decimal places. This value it rounds now. It rounds in the tens. -1 means rounds in the tens. This 567 falls between which two rounded tens? 560 and 570. Trunk always gives lower. Trunk always gives lower value. That is why we are getting 560. Observe, sir. Now you tell me. I'm getting -2 now. What is the output we get now? What is the output we get, sir? -2 means rounds in hundreds. -2 means what? Rounds in hundreds. If second argument is negative, it never gives decimal places. This value falls between which two hundreds? 500 and 600. Trunk always gives lower value. Are you understanding? 500 value. 500. Now you tell me now. I'm writing like this. Comma -3 I'm writing. What's the meaning of -3? Rounds in? Rounds in? Thousands. Thousands. This number falls between which two thousands? 4,000 and 5,000. Trunk always gives lower. We are getting output as 4,000. Okay. So like this, second argument can be negative also. So sometimes we need to get rounded values. Okay. So at that time, these are useful. Next, trunk function is over, sir. Last function. Round. This round is same as trunk. It is same as trunk, sir. But one difference is that this round considers average. Trunk never considers average.